I wanna celebrate. I wanna tell everyone. I just can't wait. He is my friend. He is so great. He can do anything. I just can't wait. So I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell them that it's a beautiful day. I wanna celebrate. I wanna tell everyone. I just can't wait. He is my friend. He is so great. He can do anything. I just can't wait. So I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell them I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them with kindness. I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them by sharing. I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them He loves us, and Jesus is the reason I keep singing every day. I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell them
Who know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hi friends, it's Zoe, and I can't wait to see what my auntie sent me for my birthday. What are these? Oh, they're jingle bracelets. I'm gonna try one on. Hi friends, listen to my bells. I'm gonna put on another bracelet. Let's see what it sounds like if I clap. Will you clap with me? Put your hands out and clap. Let's clap high. Now let's clap low. Great job. Let's see what it sounds like if I shake these bracelets to music. Music player melody. Play Jingle Bells.
Playing Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. This is so fun. What should I do with the rest of these bracelets? Oh, I know. I could put them on my ankles. First foot. Next foot. Jingle, jingle. Oh, this is tricky. Now the other foot. Jingle, jingle. I wonder if I do jumping jacks, I can make all the bells jingle at once. Count 5 jumping jacks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay!
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Zoe. Hoo, hoo. Jingling and jangling, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I am. I love these fun jingle bracelets I got from my auntie.
Jingle bracelets are fun. It's true. I know something you can put on too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hey guys, I'm Aisha. Welcome to my cupcake food truck. Look at what I have cooking today. Cool, right? They're my apple armor cupcakes. This one has a little helmet. This one has a little shield. I made them for our story today. Are you ready to hear it? Then on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Oh, wow! Look at all the soldiers. What are they wearing? They are wearing armor. Soldiers would put armor on whenever they went into battle. Armor like this would protect them. So cool! The Bible teaches us that God gives us armor too. It's true. We can put our armor on every day to help us remember to trust God and go His way. Here, let me show you. Do you know what this is? It's a helmet. That's right. Now, where does a helmet go? On your foot? No. On your elbow? No. Where does it go? On your head. That's right. Okay, everyone pretend to put on your helmet. Ready? Awesome. God says when we remember that Jesus is our friend forever, it's like putting on a helmet. We always want to remember that Jesus is our friend. Okay, now, look at this! It's a breastplate. Do you know where this goes on a soldier? On their chest. That's right! It protects their heart. Okay, let's pretend to put one on by thumping our chest. Ready? Go! God says when we choose to go God's way, it's like wearing a breastplate to protect us. We always want to remember that God's way is perfect. Okay, last one. Do you know what this one is? A shield! Yes! A soldier holds it on their arm so they can block things that might hurt them. Let's pretend to hold our shields. Oh no! Here come some arrows. Hold your shield up. Great job! God says that when we trust Him, it's like holding a shield up to protect us. We always want to remember to trust God. So, now we've got a helmet, a breastplate, and a shield. And do you know what else you've got? You've got God's Word, the Bible. You can read this every day, and it will teach you how to go God's way. And remember, God's way is the best way, so we can trust God. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hey there, Ollie, tell me, who can trust God?
I can trust God. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can trust God?
I can trust God. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God's armor protects us and teaches us how to live too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, we could put our armor on every day to remember to trust God and go His way. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. Now every time I put on these bracelets, I can remember about the armor of God. Music player Melody,
Yes.
play fun dance music.
Playing dance music.
I'll see you next time. Bye.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5.